Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To make birds go away, focus on removing attractions like accessible food sources, water, and shelter. Use visual deterrents such as reflective tapes, decoy predators, or shiny objects to scare them away. Auditory deterrents like ultrasonic devices or distress calls can also be effective. For persistent problems, consider physical barriers like netting or spikes on roosting areas. Maintain cleanliness around your property to discourage birds from returning. Remember, consistency is key in deterring birds effectively.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.